Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video, we want to show you how to reset your Galaxy Watch 4 back to factory settings. And as you can see, for demonstration purposes, we have our Galaxy Watch 4, and this is in the silver color. It also comes in black, and this is the 46 millimeter. And as you can tell, have a different kind of a band on it. This is the rugged band by a company called Slicka. It looks pretty nice compared to the traditional band that you will have on your Galaxy Watch, the one that it comes with. So if you guys are interested in the watch and in the band, I will leave links for you down in the description area. So we want to show you today how to reset it back to factory settings. So what you need to do to get to your apps here is what you do is swipe from the bottom and you pull up your apps and you look for the icon that's for the settings, which is the one in the middle there, the one with the gear shape in it, and you tap on it to open it. And once it's open, you want to slide up to where you see general, and once you get to general, tap on it. And once you get to general, then you scroll up again to where you see reset. Tap on the reset, and when you get to reset, it will ask you if you want to back up the data on your watch. If you back up the data because you need to reset the watch, you will be able to save your watch faces that you've purchased or you've downloaded. So you definitely want to do that. And so to back it up, what you do is tap on that to back up the data. After you tap on the data, tap on that and back up your data, you'll come back to the settings, go into settings, and then go down to general, and then go to reset again, and then scroll past the backup data and come down to where you say hit reset. You tap on reset there, and we'll go through the process of resetting your watch. It'll take a little bit of time. It may take a little bit of time depending on how much data you have on the watch. So as you can see, it just finished up and it is coming back on. So there you go. It has just reset the watch. And that is what you would need to do to reset your Galaxy Watch 4. So that's it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.